Today we are baking bacalhau Lagareiro, a Portuguese classic that is naturally gluten-free. Serves 4 and takes about 50 minutes from start to finish. Let us cook this beautiful oven-roasted cod with potatoes, garlic, and olive oil. Here is what you need. 4 desalted cod loins, about 6 ounces each. 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes. 6 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced. 2/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 bay leaf. 1/2 cup of chopped fresh parsley. 1/2 cup of pitted black olives. 1 lemon, cut into wedges. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit with a rack in the middle. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Rinse the baby potatoes. Place them in a pot, cover with cold water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 bay leaf, and bring to a boil over high heat. While the water heats, thinly slice the 6 garlic cloves and set them aside. Boil the potatoes for 12 to 15 minutes, until just tender when pierced with a fork. Drain the potatoes well and let them stand for 2 minutes so excess moisture evaporates. Gently smash each potato with the bottom of a glass or a spatula to crack them without breaking apart. Make the garlic oil. In a small saucepan, warm 2/3 cup of olive oil with the sliced garlic over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, just until fragrant. Do not let the garlic brown. Pat the cod loins dry with paper towels. Season lightly with 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper on both sides. Toss the smashed potatoes with about half of the warm garlic oil and a pinch of black pepper. Arrange the cod loins and the potatoes in a large baking dish. Spoon some of the garlic slices over the fish. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, until the cod flakes easily and the potatoes start to crisp at the edges. Add the black olives and spoon the remaining garlic oil over the fish and potatoes. Return to the oven for 5 minutes to warm the olives and sizzle the oil. Remove from the oven and let it rest for 3 minutes. Scatter the chopped parsley all over. Serve with lemon wedges and a final spoon of the pan juices. Enjoy your bacalhau Lagareiro. Bacalhau Lagareiro is ready. If you love this gluten-free Portuguese classic, like the video, subscribe for more, and tap the bell so you never miss a recipe.